Hi everyone, welcome to my another lecture on line integral. Okay, this is very important. This is the third lecture on line integral. So in the first lecture of line integral, that is in part 1, I have explained very nicely about the line integral, the definition and the working formula. Okay. So, in this lecture, the learner will be able to understand two sums actually. These two sums I have taken from university question paper. So many times this sum came. Evaluate this, and the curve C is the rectangular in the xy plane bounded by y equal to 0, y equal to b, x equal to 0, x equal to a. And another sum I have taken here. Find the work done in moving a particle in a force field given by F equal to this along the curve x equal to this, y equal to this, z equal to this. This is the parametric form from t equal to 1 to 2. Okay, these two sums you will understand. Okay, one by one I will solve it. I will solve this one first. You have to see till the lecture end, then you will understand clearly. Okay, don't leave in the middle of this session. Okay, so firstly we have to draw the rough sketch. Okay, in xy plane bounded by x equal to 0, y equal to a. This is x axis, y axis. Okay, x axis, y axis. X equal to 0, then y equal to 0. This is O, 0, 0. Okay, this is x equal to a line, x equal to a line. Okay, this is y equal to b line, this is y equal to b line. X equal to a line means the line parallel to y axis. This is y axis, this is x axis. Okay, x equal to a, the line parallel to y axis, y equal to b, the line parallel to x axis. This is y equal to 0, this is x equal to 0. So this is actually rectangle. Okay, so in this rectangle, this point is say a. So this point, this to this length is a. So this point is a comma 0. A comma 0. Okay, understand? This point is a comma 0. Now this point is a and this point is actually b. So this length is b. So b is a comma b. A comma b. And c, this point is c, that is 0 comma b. 0 comma b. And O is 0, 0. Now there are 4 lines of this rectangle. 4 lines, that is OA, AB, BC, CO. These 4 lines. So in line integral, jitna line utna integration. How many lines? 4 lines are there. So 4 integration will be there. And we have to move, we have to traverse in the anti-clockwise direction. Start with O. This is along OA, along AB, along BC, along CO. Okay. So one by one I will solve it. Okay. So now first along, that is you have to find, that is what you have to find. We have to find C, that is F dot dr. F dot dr, that is equal to C, that is OA, F dot dr plus AB, F dot dr plus BC, F dot dr plus CA, F dot dr. Understand? After getting the value along OA, along AB, along BC, along CA, then we have to add all this value, then we get the required value along C. Along C. This is the curve. The curve is a rectangle. C is a rectangle. In the XY plane, this is in XY plane. X and Y, so this is in XY plane. Okay. I think everybody understood very clearly. Now one by one I am doing along OA. Along OA. Along OA means you see y equal to 0. Along OA, y equal to 0. Okay? Along OA, y equal to 0. Before that, what is actually f dot dr? F is given, you see, f equal to, before that, sorry, before going to find along OA, we have to find f dot dr. What is actually f dot dr? This thing you have to find first. F is given f dot dr. F dot dr means f equal to what? X square plus y square into I minus 2xy into j. F dot dr. Dr, what is dr? What is dr? That is xi plus yj dot xi x into dxi, that is dxi plus dyj. No k is there, so I am not taking any k. Okay, so this equal to actually I dot I1, so x square plus y square into dx minus 2xy into dy, because j dot j is 1 and I dot j is 0, j dot I is also 0. So this is your actually f dot dr. Now along OA, you see this is y equal to 0. OA means x-axis. So y equal to 0. So we can say dy is also 0. Therefore, dy is also 0. Okay? Along OA. So along OA, y equal to 0. So dy is 0. Now, you see, O is there, 0, 0, and A is here, A 0. Okay, along OA. Now tell me, integration, that is curve along OA, that is dy 0. Here I am putting dy 0. So it is x square plus y square. But y is 0. So it is x square plus y square into dx. So now dx is there. So we have to take the x coordinate, that is 0 to a. Integration 0 to a, y equal to 0 I am putting over here. So x square dx. That comes a x cube by 3, then 0 to a. So that comes a cube by 3. So along OA, a cube by 3. So along OA, what will be the answer? Along OA, it is a cube by 3. Along OA, this is a cube by 3. Try to understand. Along OA, answer is a cube by 3. Along OA, the integration. 4 integration we will do. Try to understand. 4 integration, because 4 sided are there. So, jitna side, utna integration. How many sides? 4 sides, OA, AB, BC and CO. You have to move in the anti-clockwise direction, or you can say counter-clockwise. Okay. So it is a cube by 3. So I am just removing this part along OA, a cube by 3. Along OA, a cube by 3. I am just putting along OA, this value is a cube by 3. Okay. Now along AB. Along AB, you see x equal to a, so dx equal to 0. Differential. Taking the differential, so dx equal to 0. AB. This is a, that is a comma 0. B is a comma b. Try to understand. Okay. So now dx 0. That means what was our f dot dr was, what was f dot dr? X square minus y square into dx minus 2xy dy. It was this. We already calculated. Just I removed this part. F dot dr is this. So now x square minus, yes, x square plus y square. It was plus actually. X square plus y square dx minus 2xy dy. Now you see, along AB, dx is 0. So this portion is 0. and minus, it will be minus, that is integration along AB. So it is f dot dr is minus 2xy dy. That is equal to along, that is you have to take the y coordinate because here dy is there. So it is 0 to b, 0 to b, integration 0 to b, not x, because here is dy, so you have to take the y coordinate. Okay, so now that is 0 to b. What is x? X equal to a, so minus 2ay dy. So minus 2a constant, we are taking outside, this is y square by 2, so 2 getting cancelled, then 0 to b, so minus b square a, upper limit minus lower limit, minus b square a, minus b square, that is equal to minus ab square, you can say minus ab square. So along AB, this value is minus AB square. Try to understand. I'm just putting all these value over here. All these values. So understand now, I'm removing this part. That is along AB. Now along BC. Along BC. Along AB, then along BC. Along BC. Along BC means, you see, along BC, that is y equal to b, y equal to b, so dy equal to 0, dy equal to 0, so this is b, this is c. C means 0 comma b, b means a comma b, along BC. So now tell me integration along BC, so it is dy 0, so this part is 0, so x square plus y square is b square into dx. So this is dx, so we have to take x coordinate, that is a to 0, a to 0, okay, a to 0, okay, a to 0, okay, a to 0. How to find a to 0? That is a to 0 x cube, a to 0 x square plus b square into dx, that is equal to x cube by 3 plus bx, then a to 0, that is minus, upper limit is 0, lower limit if we put, then a cube by 3 minus plus ab, that is ab, you can write ab, okay. Along BC, along BC, along BC, the value is x cube by 3, that is a cube by 3 minus a, this is b square, sorry, it is b square minus ab square, minus a cube by 3 minus ab square, okay, okay. This value I'm just putting over here. This is along BC. Try to understand. Along BC, this value is this. Okay. Along BC means this integration value is this. Just so I am putting along BC. That is I'm putting over here a cube by 3 minus ab square. Now this value is minus of a cube by 3 plus ab square. Okay. Now along CO, then this is along OA value is this, along AB value is this part here, I'm just removing. Yes. Along AB value is this, along BC value is this. Now along CO. How to find along CO? You see x equal to 0. This line is x equal to 0. X equal to 0 means dx is, this implies dx equal to 0. So CO, this C value, CO means along CO, C value is 0 comma B, C value is 0 comma B, and O value is 0. So tell me now, dx equal to 0. So this part is 0. So integration CO, that is dx is 0. So minus 2x, very easy. Try to understand. This is dy. Now here is dy, so we have to take y coordinate, that is b to 0. So minus B2, B2 0, minus B2 0. So 2 I am taking outside. Then what is x? X is 0. X is 0, you see, x is 0, x is 0. So 0 into dy. So that means total value is 0. So along CO, the integral value is 0. The integral value is 0. So now I am putting along CO here. Along CO, the integration is 0. So plus 0. Just I am putting all the value along OA, along AB, along BC, along CO. So along CO it is 0. Okay. So now AQ by 3, AQ by 3 along AB minus AB square. Along AB it is AB square. So AQ by 3 along AB it was AB square minus this is AQ by 3, this will be minus AB square. So this is getting cancelled. So minus 2AB square. This is the answer of this sum. Now I'm going to we are going to learn about this sum. In line integral, sometimes you will see that is you can say integration C2 FDR is also known as work done. I already explained this thing in my first video, in my first lecture of line integral. This is the third lecture of line integral. This is the third lecture on line integral. Now work done equal to F dot dr. Work done equal to find the work done. Work done equal to solution of this sum. Work done equal to integration along C F dot dr. F value is given F dot dr. So what is F dot dr? That is, you can find from here along C, F value is 3xyi minus 5zj plus 10xk dot dr is, what is dr? dxi. Dr value is dxi plus dyj plus dzk. Okay. Now if we take the dot product, this becomes 3 integration on C, that is I dot I1. So 3xy into dx minus 5z into dy plus 10x into dz. Okay. This is actually f dot dr. Now we have to put all the values of x is given. In place of x we have to put, so x equal to, you see, x equal to t square plus 1. So what is dx with respect to t? So dx by dt, that is 2t dt. Taking the differential. Okay, be careful. I'm taking the differential. I'm not saying with respect to x, with respect to t. Okay, you can say with respect to t, that is dx dt equal to 2t, then dx equal to 2t dt. Okay. Similarly, y equal to 2t square. Therefore, dy equal to 4t dt. And z equal to, you see, z equal to t to the power 3. So, dz equal to, that is 3t square dt. Just I am putting x, y, z, dx, dy, dz value. And what is the limit? See, that is, what is the value of t? T equal to 1 to 2. So this is 1 to 2. Now 3 into what is x? X value is t square plus 1. What is y value? 2t. Y value is what? Y is 2t square. 2t square into what is dx value? Dx value is 2t into dt. 2t into dt plus minus, sorry, it is minus 5 into what is z value? What is z value? What is 5? Z is 5 z square. 5 z value is what? Tq. So 5 tq. Now what is dy? Dy value is 4t dt. into 4t dt, 4t dt plus 10x, x equal to t square plus 1, 10z into dz value 3t square dt, 3t square dt. Now it is very easy. Now it is very simple. Now this is 1 to 2, 1 to 2, 1 to 2. So simplify this, all this. That is dt I am getting common. If we take dt common and simplify, the answer will become like 12t to the power 5, 12t to the power 5 plus 10t to the power 4, 10t to the power 4, just simplification, plus 12t cube, 12t cube plus 30t square, plus 30t square. Okay, try to understand this into dt, this into dt. Now you can integrate this. So 12 into, so t to the power 6 by 6, t to the power 6 by 6 plus 10 into t to the power 4 integration t to the power 5 by 5 plus 12 t to the power 4 by 4 plus 30 t to the power 3 by 3. Then upper limit minus lower limit 2 to 1. So the I am leaving this answer. You have to find. This is upper limit in place of t upper limit minus in place of t lower limit. Okay. Now you can calculate what is the value of work done. Okay. So I think this part is everybody can find out upper limit minus lower limit. Upper limit minus lower limit in place of t equal to 2 minus in place of t equal to 1. Okay. I think everybody understood very nicely in this lecture. So keep watching, sharing, commenting this lecture with your friends. I'm 110% sure you guys enjoyed this video. Keep watching, sharing and commenting. Okay. So I'll come with my next lecture, that is part 4 in line integral. So till then, bye bye. Thank you very much.